Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's been not a week or so, but I obviously haven't posted in a bit. If you're new to the channel, I'm going to say right now, hit that subscribe button and welcome. So what have I been doing? Well, last week was my birthday, and I know happy birthday to me, yeah. Anyway, last week was my birthday, so I ended up going to Washington. Neighbor, come on. Anyway, I ended up going to Washington with Lisa because she had a conference down there, so she didn't want to miss my birthday and things like that because it's one of the major ones, but I'm not going to tell you which one. And so, you know, went down there with her. That's what the shots of like all the train stuff, you know, outside and things like that were in the beginning of this video. Was us coming back on a train. Yes, that was Lisa in there in the beginning. Shh, don't tell her she was on video because she hates that. But we went down there. It was actually a pretty good time. Went and had dinner. Went to the African American History Museum, which if you get a chance to visit Washington, D.C., definitely go. Doesn't matter what race you are or anything like that. It's pretty awesome. You know, I saw things like the one of the training planes that the Tuskegee Airmen used. They had a lot of obviously stuff from way in the beginning to all the way up until about 2016, 2017. It was very interesting. A lot of interactive stuff and things like that. So if you get a chance to go, go. So what are we doing today? Well, not necessarily today, but in the last video I asked you guys what color I should paint that pulley. So I got an answer, and I got paint. So you guys are just gonna have to stick around and see what color it's gonna be. I'm also gonna do something else, and hopefully you guys like the idea. But I gotta yeah, it seems like I'm always busy. I gotta mow the lawn. Yeah, as you guys can see, I need to do it. So I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna explain to you guys what I'm gonna do. I may end the video. I'm not gonna end the video, but I might stop for the night and then do it tomorrow. And so, guys, stick around. Let me know what you guys think. Let me just tell you, the winning color was red. But I'm going to do something pretty unique. Hopefully you guys like it. So let me go mow the lawn before Lisa kicks me out. I love you, Lisa. Alright guys, so before I get started, most of you know I work out practically all the time, and you know, the guns. Sort of, although I've been slipping lately because I film a lot. But what I did was, a while ago I ended up downloading this app called Sweatcoin, and you can't see it right now, but basically what it does is it tracks your steps on the outside, which is kind of cool. No, this isn't a paid promotion. Sweatcoin, get at me. But what I wanted to share it with you guys, because what happens is when you walk, and the app's completely free, when you walk, you actually earn money. So right now, let me go do this because the battery seems to want to die. So let me go mow the lawn. The other reason why I shared that with you is because, yeah, again, it tracks your steps, so I'm mowing the lawn because Lisa doesn't pay me. I want to raise. I'm kidding, don't kick me out. Sometimes other things around the house need to be worked on other than the car. That's why I go beast mode. Beast. Alright guys, I know you were worried, but lawn's all done. Look nice. I know you guys were worried. So I won't be homeless. So yeah, now we can continue with the motor build. So anyway. Alright, anyway. So I wanted to show you guys exactly the color that you guys picked for the pulley, and I wanted to show you something else. I didn't discuss it with you guys before. Somebody had brought up me painting the block. Now, I would have painted the block had I not already put everything together, and you know, you guys see the result here. Everything is pretty much together. So, but there's a couple things that I didn't do. Obviously, I haven't put the pulley back on. I haven't put the timing cover back on. So, with that being said, it gave me an idea. So, obviously, I am going to paint the pulley very carefully, because obviously I don't want to get anything on here. Oh my god. Damn bugs. God damn. So, I will paint the pulley. But, I'm also going to paint and clean up the timing cover. You know, it's a little dirty, just a tiny bit, but I'm gonna take this off, get it cleaned up, and paint it. Now, what color am I gonna paint it? Well, you guys picked two colors. You guys said either blue or red. Now, me being me, A, my favorite color is red, and B, I'm thinking of the interior of the car. And the interior of the car is that blood red. So, and then obviously you got the Brembos that are also red, and there's a whole lot of red. So I didn't want to go with, so I didn't go with blue. I went with red. But I am not going to paint the whole timing cover red, because to me that's just a whole lot of red. What I am going to do is I'm going to actually paint the timing cover black. But there's a big but, not like J-Lo's but I'm going to paint it black, but I'm also going to use some of the red on the timing cover as well as on the pulley. And again, I'm not going to paint the whole pulley red either. There's going to be a design to it. I am an artiste. I like to come up with pretty cool ideas. Okay, somebody was singing their ass off. So, I am going to do this tomorrow. I'm thinking I might have one more idea, and it involves the name of the Genesis Coupe, my Genesis Coupe, and it going on the crank pulley. But we'll see tomorrow. Or probably not. We'll see. I'm going to clean this up tomorrow. I'm not going to end the video here. We're just going to continue the video for tomorrow, and go from there. So hopefully you guys can sit tight. Let me know what you guys think about me using the black and the red. You know, NWO Wolfpack. Just kidding. I used to watch a lot of wrestling. Come on. So I'm going to work on that tomorrow. Just guys, just stick around, keep watching the video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. You know, check out my other videos and things like that. Hopefully this video isn't too, well, I don't think you guys mind too much now. You guys keep coming back and watching, and I want to thank you guys anyway, so thank you. And again, let me know what you guys think about the color choices down in the comment section. Again, I'm going to continue this tomorrow, so don't go anywhere. Keep watching. The name. You guys haven't watched G.I. Joe? The name that somebody actually gave me an idea, and I kind of flipped it around, but the name, you guys are going to like the name. I'm just not going to tell you yet. You'll have to stick around to see. So, talk to you tomorrow. Yep, that's right. It's 6:46 in the morning on a Saturday, Memorial Day weekend, and I'm going to the gym. Because that's what that's what I do. We'll see what I get done today. Hopefully I can get at least get the timing cover cleaned and things like that, and then I'll get started painting. But we'll see, because Cam has a basketball tournament today, and what else? I know there's a couple other things I have to do today, but we'll see. I also got to go back to Pep Boys, because I stopped by Josh's because I need to take his door handle covers off, because he wants those painted black too, and can't seem to find the right bit to take that off. It's crazy. I bought something from Pep Boys, still too big. Smallest thing ever, and it was still too big. So we'll see. All right, but let me get to the gym. Man, the battery's dying. Damn, I need to charge this. That was a crazy workout. I also forgot a shirt, so I had to throw on my sweatshirt, and it's already like 75 degrees right now, and it's 8:53 in the morning. And now I'm at Modell's, because Cam needs KT tape or something like that for basketball. So yeah, this is crazy. I'm like, Pep Boys is like way right over the other parking lot. I should probably run there and exchange those bits and things like that, but I'm not going to, because I am in a hurry. And I also got to, again, when I get home, hopefully later, I can start working on that timing cover and things like that. So yeah, I just want to keep you guys updated, because you the real MVP. Who are you? What? Don't act like, really? Really? You guys are gonna be quiet? I see all of you. I see all of you. Excuse me, is this car for sale?
No!
Why isn't it for sale?
Dad,
what?
He got that car.
What?
He got the car.
For who? For me?
It's for him.
Excuse me, you gotta tell everybody your nickname.
Truck. Down that tour. Oh, truck.
What is it?
Down that Toretto.
Oh, Dominic Toretto? I don't see your charger. Huh? What's up? What? Oh, okay. I don't need to see that. What's going on, Cam?
Jurassic Park for the new Jurassic World, and it was Owen and his girlfriend.
Were they
were trying to get on the plane.
Yeah, were they drifting?
No, they were just trying to get on the plane.
No drifting? No.
So they had Vordoven, the guy that was supposed to let them get on the plane, let them, because of.
Is that what you're writing?
A bunch of video games.
Just a bunch of you making up video games?
Yeah, and also then he will try to feed them food, so he feed them.
Oh, okay.
And at the end of it, Owen's girlfriend said, "Come back here. Can I speak to your manager?"
Can I speak? No, you can't speak to my manager. I need this big ass TV for my video games. Battlefield 5. What?
It's alright.
Alright, is this for sale?
Nah, man. Just
good, because I don't want it. What year? What is it?
91. BMW 318 IS.
Nice.
It's not bad.
Weld the diff and send it.
That's what I'm trying to do. I got a fuel pump coming in. Quantum performance fuel pump. right now it's not cranking, or it's cranking over, it's just not firing. Can't even hear the fuel pump turn on.
Damn.
Replace all the fuses, check the wires, got spark.
You got one white mirror, one black, ebony, and ivory.
Yeah, man.
Nice.
So, I mean, basic. Yep, the whole thing.
What are you gonna do? What are you putting?
So, in BMW world,
Dude!
it's like an S52
Yeah.
dash B32.
I hate you.
Why?
Here's why. Because it's a 1990.
Yeah.
You don't have to go through emissions.
No.
I hate you.
I'll never buy another car that
'Cause-
has no emissions.
Oh, dude, you can put anything in this car.
Yep.
Oh. Now I really want this car.
I mean, it's gonna.
Well, not this one. I still want I want the Datsun.
It's gonna be getting an E36 M3 motor from Europe, though. Sourced
Not
somehow.
Japan.
Well, no.
They don't
no.
make an E36 Japanese motor.
BMW is weird. They have like.
I know it's a
manufacturers
German car.
here in Germany. So
Damn.
yes, it will be.
2 J's. Oh, I mean, whatever BMW. Blah blah blah. No shit.
That's tiny, dude. I was looking at it. I think this is smaller than
Wait.
that.
M42. No shit. This will decimate all where you put 15 to 20 grand.
Right?
And you have to overnight parts from Germany.
Dude, I mean,
All right, guys. So I obviously haven't gotten to the timing cover yet. I'm over at Dion's house because we were just checking some things out. I wanted to see his BMW. What? He's just staring at me like, who's Chuck talking to? You know me. I'm talking to them. You're one of them anyway. But yeah, I just want to show you guys Danny's bike, which is actually, I actually like this bike. Ooh. Where'd Danny steal this from? No, I'm kidding. And it's oh wait, Danny got something registered too. Is Danny okay? He insured it. He's got it. Wow. Now you can never make fun of him. But anyway, so yeah, we were just obviously discussing his new BMW, his 1990 new BMW, and basically how to pull the motor and stuff like that out of the Genesis Coupe, like just the process and things like that. You know, just stuff like that. So I know you guys are dying for me to start doing the timing cover and things like that. That's not going to take that long, but you guys will see what it looks like, and then we'll go from there. But I think I'm going to end the video here for today. Cam's got another game. She had one this morning, and you know, I just wanted to at least say hi to you guys and things like that. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you haven't watched my other videos, go back and watch the other videos and things like that. You can see Dion's big ass on a motorcycle. Anyway, what? so anyway, like I always say, like, share, comment, hit that subscribe button, and what am I forgetting? Oh, not forgetting. Make no limitation your only limitation. Peace.